How to enable remote management on Samsung Smart TV. Once you are here on this main Discover page, scroll down below and select Settings. Then go to All Settings. From here, scroll down below and tap on Support. Now from here, you'll see the option of Remote Management. So if you turn on the toggle for this option, you will be able to allow Samsung Call Center to remotely access and troubleshoot your TV when you need assistance. This service requires an internet connection and is available once you agree to the service agreement. So if you tap on it and turn on the toggle, you will be able to enable remote management. Now you can simply go ahead and select View Terms in order to know more. From here, all you would have to do is go through all these details and then make a selection on I agree with terms and conditions. Now, once you select on the circle of agreeing terms and conditions, simply select Confirm. So after this, you will be able to see this pop-up. In order to connect remote management, you would have to give the PIN shown below to Samsung's service representative. So please note down the PIN code. So after that, you will successfully be able to enable remote management on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.